Hey there, welcome to Trusted Web e-Services. In today's GA4 tutorial, we're going to explore how to track referral traffic in Google Analytics 4. It's actually pretty simple. First things first, you'll need to log into your Google Analytics 4 account. Make sure you pick the right property that matches your website. Next, head over to the Reports section. Think of it as your data hub. Now, look for the Lifecycle menu and click Traffic Acquisition under Acquisition. You'll see a bunch of new data pop up on your screen. That's great, but we want to zero in on referral traffic specifically. To do that, you'll need to add a filter. Let me show you how I do it. Just click on Add Filter, and a new window will appear on the right. In the Dimension tab of this window, type in Session Default Channel Group and select it. Then make sure the match type is set to exactly matches. Almost there, in the New Value tab, pick Referral from the list of options. Finally, hit that Apply button and you're all set. Now you only see data about your referral traffic. It's pretty cool, right? This information can be super valuable. It lets you see which websites are sending you the most traffic, what types of visitors they are, what pages they're landing on, and even where they're coming from geographically. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this GA4 tip, please like, share, and subscribe to Trusted Web e-Services for more. See you next time.